Good morning everyone. Welcome to part 3 of OpenCV tutorial series. Create a new file, drawing.py. Importing the modules. Import CV2. Import numpy. Now creating an empty image. Image is equal to numpy.zeros, which will create a black image. Now pass width and height, 3. 3 stands for 3 channels. And pass the d type numpy.uint8. Now displaying the image, cv2.imshow has learned in the previous tutorial. Name of the window and image. Now cv2.wait key of 0. And then cv2.destroy all windows. So here is the empty image. Now we will draw in this image, adding different elements. The first one is line. Image is equal to cv2.line. Then pass the image. We have starting point, ending point, the color, the thickness, and the line type will be cv2.line_AA. Let's start the line from 50-50 to 150-150. So this is a line. Now let's run. See, this is from 50 to 150. Now let's draw a rectangle. So image is equal to cv2.rectangle. Pass the image, pass the starting point, ending point. They both will be diagonal. The color, the thickness, and the line type, which will be cv2.line_AA. Let's have a rectangle from 150 to 300, 400. Let me shift it here. Save and run. So here is the line, and from the ending of the line we have the starting of rectangle to the end point. So this is the rectangle. Now let's draw a circle. So cv2.circle, pass the image, center, radius. Let the radius be 30, the color, thickness, and at last the line type. Now let the center equal to 255, 275, and save, run. So here is the circle. It's slightly towards the right. Now let's draw an ellipse. So the image, the center, the length of axis, the angle of the ellipse, starting angle of the ellipse, and ending angle of the ellipse. the color, thickness. Let the center be equal to 500, 500. The axis be 100, 60, and run. So here is the ellipse. Now I want to rotate the ellipse at an angle of 30, the whole ellipse. So here is the ellipse at the angle of 30. Now let's put a text in the image. So image is equal to cv2.putText, image comma the text, hello I am Malay. Then pass the position, that is 500, 100. Now the font, that is cv2.font. Now the font size, let it equal to 1. The color, its thickness. Now run. So the text is a bit out of screen. So let the position be 100, 500. Now there you go. Here is the text. So this is the whole code. You can draw line, rectangle, circle, ellipse and put a text.
Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next part by subscribing to the channel and turning the notifications on so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Till then, have a great day.